Learn with me Episode 1. The Road Sign. Hello everyone. I am Teacher Afdil. Today I'm going to teach you under the topic the road signs. Let's get started. Good morning students. How are you today?
Good morning, teacher. We are happy and ready to learn with you.
Do you know what the road signs is?
No, we don't.
Okay. Let's learn together. The first is turn right. Repeat after me for 3 times. Turn right. Turn right. Turn right. Good job everyone. For example, we can turn right. The second is turn left. Repeat after me for 3 times. Turn left. Turn left. Turn left. Excellent. For example, we can turn left. The third is U-turn. Repeat after me for 3 times. U-turn. 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 Wonderful. For example, we can make a U-turn here. The fourth is no U-turn. Repeat after me for 3 times. No U-turn. No U-turn. No U-turn. Very good. For example, we cannot make a U-turn here. The fifth is no entry. Repeat after me for 3 times. No entry. No entry. No entry. Good work. For example, we cannot enter. The last is park here. Repeat after me for 3 times. Park here. Park here. Park here. Perfect. For example, we can park here. How do you feel with this topic?
I feel so well. I know how important the road signs is.
Yes, I agree. Because when we know the road signs, we can ride our bicycle safely.
Wow. Excellent. Finally, I hope you will not forget what you have learned today. And have a good day. Goodbye.
Thank you, teacher. Bye bye.